first, make sure the power is locked out. Open the control panel. And the module that you're going to be replacing is right here. The module is very simple to change. You have your wires, just pull them, wires out. The new module, the wires will go in the same location. There is a little tab down here on the DIN rail. Pull that down, pull the bottom out, and the module is ready to be changed. To install the new controller, slide in at the top first, push down. You may have to take your finger and push up on that notch till you hear it click so that it's secure. And now just put our wires back in. And that is all there is to replacing the module.